Hi, I'm Ahuva Gamliel, a naturopathic doctor and licensed acupuncturist. I'm here to talk about postpartum depression. Postpartum depression is a condition that affects many women, and it usually is only limited to the first 72 hours after birth. However, it can continue, and some of the symptoms include apathy, not caring about the child, and they can even be suicidal and homicidal thoughts. So what can be done to prevent postpartum depression? Well, something that a Reiki practitioner informed me about is that many women in indigenous cultures around the world actually would eat their placenta in order to prevent postpartum depression. And we see that this is done by animals in nature, and it's been done, for example, in China for thousands of years, because the placenta contains vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and the hormones that were lost during pregnancy. And the deficiency in these hormones and the imbalance due to the lack of correct nutrients in the woman's body is what's responsible for the postpartum depression. So it makes sense that supplementing that nutrition back into the woman would help to prevent postpartum depression. So I investigated into this, and I found out that my doula, or birth coach, actually did placenta encapsulations. So what she did was she took my placenta, she washed it very, very well, and then she put it in a special drying machine, which she left at my house. And she came back after it was dried, and she put it in a coffee grinder and made it into a powder, and then she made it into capsules. And the capsules look like this, just like any natural supplement in a vegetarian capsule, and it's taken 2 a day in order to prevent postpartum depression. I've been taking it since I had my baby, which was 2.5 months ago, and I feel great. I never felt depressed, and I was concerned about postpartum depression because I have a history of premenstrual depression, which a lot of women get. It's the week before their cycle. They feel down. The issues and concerns in their lives just seem more overwhelming during that time. So one of the questions that my patients ask me are, what supplements do you take? Well, this is a cocktail of supplements that I take. On the bottom there are 6 tablets of a formula called Postpartum. It's by a company called Health Concerns, and that helps to balance the woman, to help her to return to her regular state before she was pregnant. There are also 2 tablets of Stem Enhance, and I spoke about that one on my video on cord blood banking and stem cells. Then I have 2 veggie and 2 fruit of the multivitamin, multimineral called Juice Plus. The reason why I take Juice Plus is because it's made out of whole fruits and vegetables as opposed to synthesized vitamins. And then last but not least are my placenta capsules. So I take these, and it helps me to feel great. I take them in 2 shots. And I do practice what I teach, so if I recommend supplements to my patients, friends, or family, it's because it's something that I would take myself if I felt the need. So I wanted to share with everyone the fact that they could get their placenta encapsulated in order to prevent postpartum depression. You could find out more information online. You could look up your local midwife or doula, and they would have more information for you. If you're in the Miami area, my doula's name is Naima Jones. She was fantastic. I can't speak more highly of her. I'm constantly singing her praises to anyone who will listen. Her website is love2labor.com, love2labor.com, and it'll be found in the more information link to the right of the video. So I hope that was informative and educational, and if you know somebody who's pregnant, please pass on this vital information. Again, I encourage you to discover your optimal health and well-being with me, Dr. Gamliel, your partner in natural healing. Take care. Bye-bye.